LoveMySkool supports Zoom conferences as well as BBB conferences. For people who do not want to use Zoom, we have an alternate conferences system which is our own, which is BBB. We use Big Blue Button conferencing system. Here again, for any class section, you can create meeting on the go. For example, I'm creating this meeting called lecture 1, and you can schedule it on a particular time. For this demo, I'm going to schedule it for right now so that I can start right away. And I can schedule it for how many ever minutes I want. I'll schedule this for 90 minutes and I can create. So once the time for the meeting is started, I can start the meeting by clicking join here right away. For both Zoom and BBB conferences, it automatically, whenever a meeting is scheduled, it automatically creates a wall post for the class, as well as it adds a calendar event for that particular class. This is the beauty of an integrated system. So with BBB conferences, once you have started the meeting, the first thing that you see is the whiteboard on the right. You can see all the users who have logged in till now on the left here. You can mute all the users, you can lock the viewers, all here. This whiteboard is beautiful. Here I can start teaching online on the whiteboard. I can select a tool and either bring in a shape or write with a pencil or write with a text box. So I can bring in a shape like this as a triangle. I can then get a pencil and say let this angle be 60 degree. I can mark this angle and say let this angle be called X. I can allow other users, my students, to write on the whiteboard by just simply clicking on this whiteboard here, and they can start writing along with me. I can add text boxes and I can write, let's say, what are the possible values of X here. I can say option A is 40 degree, option B is 130 degree, option C is 120 degree. Now I can either start asking people to reply which option they think, or to make it easier, I can go to actions and start a poll. I can start a poll with ABC options, and now every user will see this poll and they can give their option. Right now there is no teacher, no student logged in, so there is no one replying. But once they have replied, I can even publish the poll right here. I can add my own presentation if I want to. I can even add an external video by just simply clicking this external video and putting a URL here. And I can play the video to the entire class right in this whiteboard here. I can make it to full screen as well. And I can pause over the video. I can pause the video, I can talk over it, and then whenever I'm done, I can stop the video and go back to my whiteboard. I can go to my next slide if I want a clean board, or I can always go back to my earlier board that I've written before. You can share your webcam as well as you can share your screen with the class. So this is an overview of the conference tool, which is much more safe and secure, which is available out of the box with LoveMySkool subscription. We'll end this meeting. You can, for any class, create a Zoom conference right from here by clicking on create meeting. You can start the meeting from here. Once the meeting has been done, a teacher can upload a link to the video for the meeting right here. And once this link has been uploaded, every student, everyone registered in this course will see against this particular meeting a video icon, which on clicking will open the video link and start the video for that particular meeting that had happened.